as you see here, we have a wild Toby. He's the only dog in this household out of the two we have that does this. Isn't that right, Ripley? Don't look at me like that, Ripley. He's so retarded. He'll come over here, shake off at me whenever I call him, but then he'll run back out into those puddles, step everywhere in those puddles, and then go all the way back out there. Like, Toby, what are you doing? And then he'll go behind the trailer. Oh, never mind. He's gonna come this way. But yeah, he's just stupid. Look at this. Who would... I mean, at least it looks nice out here, except for the shopping cart. And the logs and stuff. But right next to making it look like... not a forest, like... No, a clearing in a forest. Right. That has a building in it. Hey, Toby! Oh, please don't come over here and shake. Oh, please don't. Thank you, Toby. I want to find a snake there before. I can hear the chickens from here and people... Why are people playing out in the rain? That's my question. So there he goes again. Where he is out there is where we're going to build a fairy garden. So, I mean, why not let him... I hear one of the chickens. They sound like they're dying over there, but they're not. If I go there, I'm going to get soaked. What a beautiful rainy day it is in Florida. Hi, Doofus. Oh, never mind. Oh, hi. Okay, never mind. Yeah, just go out there with your fluffy tail. I don't even think that's dry. It might be dry. I mean, it looks cleaner than the other parts of your body, Toby. Toby! Come over here, buddy! Don't shake. Please don't come here. Please don't. Thank you. I don't know what he likes about this area, but apparently he likes running around and getting wet. I mean, we got him like last year during December or November or October or September. I don't remember. But right now he's behind the bench. I can make a whole video off of this. Like a whole 35-minute hour video. He's been out here for like ever since my dad let him out and so it started raining. But yeah, that's just him. And now he's gonna go behind that shed. While Ripley's in the laundry room. Hi, baby. Oh, why you wanna... Hi. Alright. Love you, Ripley. Love you, Toby. Gonna go now. Gosh darn.